Attach suitable lifting links, lever hoist group, and lifting device. Rotate the final drive assembly and place on the suitable cribbing. Install the O-ring seals and then apply a suitable lubricant to the O-ring seals. Attach a suitable lift bracket assembly, and lifting device. Install the final drive assembly. Install the bolts. Install new bolts and tighten to the specified torque. Use a suitable hydraulic wrench to tighten the bolts an additional 60 plus or minus 5 degrees.
Thank you for watching our videos.
Please like, comment,
And subscribe to our channel.
have a safe work day.